Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make brown stew fish with pumpkin rice. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by cooking the pumpkin rice. We're gonna cook the rice first. So in this pot I have about half cup of water. And I'm gonna add the pumpkin. This is about half pound of pumpkin. This is the amount of pumpkin I'm using. And I'm gonna use 1 can of coconut milk. You can use any choice of coconut milk you wanna use. Or you don't have to use coconut milk, you can just use water. And I'm gonna use half of this pure coconut cream. This gives it lots of flavor. It's gonna give it a nice coconut taste. So I'm using half of this. I'm gonna add my thyme. And I'm gonna add my scallion. This is 2 stalks of scallion, some pimento berries. You don't have to use this much if you don't want to, but I like to use lots of pimento berries in my rice. I'm gonna add some salt to taste. This is about 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic and a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna turn the heat on medium and allow this to boil. I'm just gonna allow the pumpkins to boil and all the flavors to come together. So I'm just going to cover this up. While the pumpkin is boiling, we're going to move on and season the fish. So you want to wash your fish and scale your fish before cooking it. Ensure all the scale is off and the inside is clean. So before seasoning, you just want to go ahead and dry your fish, because if you don't dry your fish before frying them, they're going to stick to the pot and mash up. They're not going to fry all. So just ensure that you dry your fish before. Just want to use a paper towel and dry the fish. So now we're going to use some black pepper. And all I'm going to use is just black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. You're just going to season this generously, inside out. Now I'm going to use some salt, and again inside out with the salt. And some garlic powder. After 15 minutes, the pumpkin is finished cooking. The pumpkin is nice and tender. Look. Nice and soft. So here we have some jasmine rice. I already washed my rice. So you want to wash your rice before you're cooking it. And this is about 2 pounds of rice. So I'm just going to add it straight to the pot like this. And the heat is on medium. You don't want to turn this up on high. Just want to cook this on moderate heat. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, I like to add butter to my rice. You don't have to if you got high cholesterol or you just don't like adding butter. But butter makes everything better, I'm telling you. So now we're going to cook this for at least 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to turn on the heat and let it steam. Moving on, it's time to fry the fish. So I'm gonna turn the stove on high, and I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. I wanna add enough oil so the fish can fry properly. And I'm gonna add some garlic, and we're just gonna wait until the oil is heated. The oil is hot and nice. Now we're gonna put the fish in the pot. Beautiful. Look at these. Oh my goodness. After 5 minutes, you just want to go ahead and turn them. These are nice and crispy and golden brown, so now I'm just going to remove them from the pot. Beautiful. They're smelling amazing. Finish frying the fish. Now I'm gonna check on the rice. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, this rice is so pretty. Come on now, you can't tell me nothing. And it's smelling amazing. So all you just want to do now is fluff up the rice. And this rice is looking nice and shelly, smelling good with that coconut juice. Everything just come together nicely. And this is how I make my pumpkin rice. After fluffing up the rice, you're just gonna add about a tablespoon of water so the rest of the rice can steam. I'm just gonna steam this for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and saute my vegetables to cook down the fish. I'm gonna add some oil to the pot, and I'm gonna turn the heat on medium. The oil is heated. Now I'm gonna add my onion, and this is 1 onion chopped. I'm gonna add some sweet pepper or bell peppers. This is tricolor sweet pepper. I have red, yellow, and green. You can just use one color if you got one color. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have a tomato. This is 1 tomato. I got 1 Irish. And I got 1 carrot. I got thyme. This amount of thyme, you can use more or you can add less. And I have 2 stalks of scallion or green onion, chopped. This is smelling amazing. It's looking beautiful too. Come on, this is looking beautiful. I'm gonna add the Scotch bonnet pepper that I washed already. And now I'm just gonna add 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add some ketchup to this. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. You can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Maggie all-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon. I'm just gonna let this simmer down for about 6 minutes and then add the fish. Now I'm gonna add the fish. This is smelling so good. Smelling and looking beautiful. So you're just gonna leave this to simmer down for the next 5 minutes until the Irish and the carrot is tender. After 6 minutes, I'm gonna turn off the stove, and this is what we have here. The carrot is tender. Oh my goodness. You'll know when you insert a fork inside, and the potatoes or the Irish is tender. See? And this is looking amazing, guys. Check this out. Let me give you a closer look. Smelling even better. The rice is finished also. So the meat and the rice is finished, and now we're gonna plate. Looking and smelling great. And here you have it, guys. This is the finished product. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite way to eat fish? Oh my god, this is looking amazing. Now we're just gonna taste it. And we're gonna add some rice. This is amazing. It's flavorful, to be honest, and the rice is awesome. The rice is really good. Shelly, that coconut juice, all the flavors just come together, and it is tasting amazing. So if you enjoy watching this video, you can also check out the rest of my video. And welcome to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.